we're gonna go to V, left, right to enter our programming menu. We're gonna go to option 3. This will take us to our product library. Here you've got options for add, edit, and deleting your products, and you can exit out. To add, you're gonna go to add, hit confirm. We're gonna type in our name by using our lower letters here. We can confirm. Now TOTS is added to our library. If we would like to edit that, we can go in, confirm on edit, confirm that we want to edit our TOTS menu, and we can change. Now we can add a second TOTS menu. And if we would like to delete, just go to delete. Confirm that that's the menu item that we would wish to delete. Confirm on that. Confirm that we are sure. Now we can return to cook by pressing V.